Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using flimsy and inaccurate calipers that make your work more difficult than it needs to be? Look no further than the Starrett stainless steel electronic slide caliper, a game-changing tool that is taking the industry by storm. This exceptional product is known for its easy setup, comfort, and large size, making it a standout among its competitors. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional quality and performance. The Starrett electronic caliper is ergonomic, lightweight, and comfortable to use, constructed with features that have made Starrett slide calipers the go-to choice for many professionals. The large, clear, and easy-to-read high-contrast LCD digital readout makes it simple to get accurate readings quickly and easily, eliminating the need for squinting or straining. The caliper's ability to turn off automatically after 30 minutes of no slide movement is also a notable feature, as it helps preserve battery life and can be easily reactivated with a 1-second push of a button or any movement of the slide. The measuring surfaces of the Starrett electronic caliper are made from hardened stainless steel, offering exceptional durability and greater corrosion resistance. The adjustable inch/millimeter metric conversion reads 0.01 mm or 0.0005 inch, making it the right choice for any job, whether you are a professional or a do-it-yourselfer. In real-life use cases, this product excels in providing accurate measurements with ease, making it a valuable tool for anyone who requires precision in their work. With its exceptional quality, ease of use, and versatility, the Starrett stainless steel electronic slide caliper is a must-have for anyone looking to take their work to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.